Welcome to Thursday. What a great day Thursday is. Yeah, still getting over my man flu. It's getting there, it's nearly gone. But yeah, thanks for all everyone's concerns. Very echoey in here at the moment. Hello. Anyway, so got an hour, so let's do a little bit. Let's try and clean up the inside of the rear seats that we did from underneath. Hoover a bit more sand out, because every time I'm rocking it, a bit more sand comes out. And yeah, so we just got to sort of do a few little bit more welding. I want to try and see if I can get as much of the welding done that's left on the floor area. Because what we want to do, we can do a little bit more welding here and there above that, but if we're going to stone guard all the underside, what we don't really want to do is do some welding inside, which then burns through the bottom. You know, we're going to have to do it at some point if we've forgotten something. It's just life. But if we can try and avoid it, that's all good. So yeah, let's see if we can roll the car back flat for a bit and see if we can get inside. Okay, just give the Hoover inside a quick Hoover out. That's that. Some people mentioned about some guys mentioned about there's the gap between the. Let me show you out the holster. He was talking about two gaps. I don't know which gap he was talking about, but yes, you have that crack down there, which is always a great place to catch moisture. And then you have the gap there, which is all part of how Rover designed it. They just don't weld to the actual rear quarter. It's just the way it is. And yeah, just the way the design is. Definitely not saying the design was perfect. I don't think anyone will agree that the classic Mini is completely designed well in certain areas, but it is what it is. So anyway, let's Hoover out and do a bit of grinding off those areas. Okie dokie, that's those two bits cleaned up a bit at the back. Just put a bit of extra foam on for now. Yeah. So what I need to do now is, I don't know if you can see it, just down there, down there. Just weld all that up. I might need a little bit in the corner there, just where it goes in, but a couple of stitch welds on there. I think those originally spot welded a bit. They must do that. Must do that before they put the outer skin on originally. But hey ho, that's where it is. So yeah, let's do that. As you might have saw, I decided to just drill 4 holes and just plug weld through. Looks a lot worse than it is because the epoxy primer burns, and that's why it all goes black. But the welds are all nice. Trust me, I'm a doctor. Anyway, so that's that. Yeah, you can just see a tiny little gap just where sort of you know, it's like where there's just the floor sides aren't quite high, or maybe there's a slightly bigger panel. Don't think, I mean, you always had a gap there, so I might just pop a little bit of metal in just to give a bit of strength to that corner, double that up on the skin, Maybe I cut the old panel a bit too far. I don't think I did. But yeah, just the way it is. Maybe the floor could have just come up another couple of millimetres and then it would have been fine anyway. So yeah, looking good. Oh, that's alright. Yeah. Not the prettiest. I might get a grinder on that very bottom bit. You can't get the grinder in there because it starts touching the floor, so I'll clean that up a bit. Yeah, not the best work. Shouldn't have done it upside down really. I should have tilted the car up, shouldn't I really? That would be... So I've got another hole to do near the front there, which I could leave technically until... but I would do that next time. So, actually thinking about it, it's quite close to the floor. Silly not to, and it's on the inner wing as well, so... Yes, Matthew, do that next time. Stop piss-arsing about. So anyway, I've left my beer around the other side. Can't get that. And yeah, so just a small update there, but it's another little bit done. Again, thanks for all the feedback on the previous video. I think a lot of people like that one. Sorry if some of my videos are a bit hit and miss sometimes, you know. I think some people enjoy the restoration videos, some people enjoy the race car type videos, and obviously I do a few random videos every so often when I've been out for a day or something. But hey ho, it is my channel. Yeah, watch what you want, don't watch what you want. So anyway, so that's good. Still don't know if I'm off to my dad's yet, so if I am off to my dad's, I'll do some sort of silly video tomorrow, I would have thought, because I'm running out of time now. If I don't go to my dad's, yeah, we'll do some more work on this. But yeah, update from my dad's hopefully next week. See how he's cracking on. Again, people on Facebook, you'd know. If not, I'll definitely do a video if I go up. If not, I've got a load of pictures, I'll put them together and just stick a video up for the guys that just do YouTube. Gas levels mark.